I've been the school kid in my college. Just know yourself sitting at home. कोई माने ना माने पर हम इंसान ऐसे where your parents and teachers does not have a but your friends will for the right reasons. अकेले भी मार लेना if you're not mentally stable. It is all okay. A new phase of life I heard. Hi, what's up? This is Khushi. And before getting into the video, I want to introduce myself. Pretty obvious. Hi, I am Khushi Prajapati. I'm pursuing masters in financial accountancy right now. And for a fact, I am in my last year. So I do make a lot of college content. So subscribe already. I know it's a very different feeling now that a lot of you all are entering into college, a new phase of life where your parents and teachers does not have a lot of say to your life and you get to have a personal life of your own, and it is so fun. And I am telling you, no matter what the fuck happens, just know this is the time you get to live your life to the fullest. Of course, this video is a little guide which might help you for your college or if you are already in college. When I entered into the college, I did this mistake that I did not watch such videos, and trust me, I should have, because I feel I might have done a lot more than what I already did. But now that the time has gone, I do not want to repeat the same mistakes and let other repeat the same mistakes. So take this video seriously, okay? I do have a cute little diary जहाँ पे मैंने काफी points लिखी हुई है ताकि I do not forget. My college life is separated or divided into two parts. One is when I was graduating, and second is this phase now that I am pursuing masters. Everybody who is watching this video, I know you are here for a reason, and let me just tell you, in this video I am not only going to talk about studying or whatsoever. There will be a lot of segments that I want to cover, and trust me, by the end of this video I want you to be one of the bestest version of yourself, and also by the time your college ends, of course. I believe I have been the school kid in my college, and before you get to any conclusion, I want to give you my definition. This is my definition, my point of view of being a cool kid. A cool kid is someone who have a balance in life. She knows how to balance personal life, professional life, student life, so on and so forth. Kid for me is a person who is A1 in every aspect of life. If I take my own example, I want to be the best in everything. I want to be good in studies. I want to be good to my parents. I want to be good to my friends. I want to be good as a person, as a human being, and most importantly, I want to be the best version of myself. That's a cool kid for me. Oh yes, I know it might sound like a lot, but trust me, when you do it, it's not really a lot. You have 4 years to develop yourself, and that's a lot of amount of time you're getting. Obviously, when you enter into the college, you are not going to have it all figured out. So let's start small. Let's take the first step here. The first step will be selecting your college and your subject. First of all, do not go where your friends are going. Have a plan of your own. It's not only about friends but also your parents. Do not let them pressure you to take a particular subject. अगर आपको साइंस नहीं पढ़ना है, don't study. अगर आपको आर्ट्स या कॉमर्स नहीं पढ़ना है, don't study. अगर आपको ग्रेजुएशन भी नहीं करनी है, maybe I'll say it's okay because graduation is not providing any jobs anymore. This also brings me to a fact that I know बहुत सारे लोगों के dream colleges भी होते हैं. Just in case, I hope it doesn't happen, but just in case you couldn't make it to your dream college, it's okay. It's completely fine. You also have a lot of other options, and trust me when I say it, it's God's plan. So just leave it to God. Actually blame him that why did you even do it. Now everything goes wrong is your problem, not mine. Just blame God for everything and just take a college. Might be your second priority, third priority, whatever that is. As I said, your college is not everything. It's just a degree at the end of the day. So I would like suggest you ऐसे college लो जहाँ पे एक flexible timing हो, so that you can also give a little attention of yours to other things. For example, a side courses or a side hustle you want to do during college. Now that you are into college, you have your subjects. I hope you have a plan, because I want to believe that कि आज के time में कोई भी इतना बेवकूफ नहीं है कि you are into college without a plan. You are studying a subject without a plan. The kids today are super genius. This is the time of your youth, by the way. I know college sounds very exciting. When I went to the college, I wanted to have this Bollywood college life. I wanted to do all sorts of things, and eventually with time I actually did. So you do not have to rush everything in one go. I know अभी आप लोगों को मन करेगा बहुत ज़्यादा पार्टी करने का, नए दोस्त बनाने का, maybe relationships and all those things. It will happen. You don't have to rush it. यहाँ पे आपका सबसे नंबर 1 प्रायोरिटी होना चाहिए आप खुद। यहाँ पे मैं एक बात बताती हूँ आपको, this is the time when you actually get to know who you are as a person. This is the time when when you understand what you want in life, what you don't want in life. And when I'm talking about knowing yourself, you cannot just know yourself sitting at home. You have to go out, do little extra things that are out of your comfort zone. I would like you to take extra courses, for example, ADCA, DCA, Tally, AI courses. If you want to be a fashion designer, you can take such courses as a side hustle or whatsoever. Just do that. I'm telling you, these side courses you will take will be more beneficial for your future job requirements than this degree. I don't know if I should say this, but I just got a job few days back, like few months back, only because I had a degree of ADCA and not because I had a degree of graduation. These side hustles are equally important as much as your college is. Remember I said in the beginning, this is the life where your parents and teachers does not have a lot of say to your life. I mean it. But your friends will have a lot to say. So I will tell you, this is very important in your college. One of the most important thing you have to do in college that choosing the right group of people. फ्रेंडशिप में ना दो तरीके के लोग होते हैं। एक होते हैं जो आप अगर गलत करोगे ना तो आपको कहेंगे कि नहीं तुमने गलत किया है, और दूसरे वो होते हैं जो आपको गलत करने के लिए और बढ़ावा देंगे कि नहीं नहीं सही है और करो। अभी आपको कौन सा वाला चूज करें, दैट इज योर डिसीजन टू मेक। आई एम नोबडी टू टेल यू व्हाट टू डू। कोई माने ना माने पर हम इंसान ऐसे ही लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं जैसे हम खुद होते हैं। आई वुड से जस्ट चूज योर फ्रेंड्स वाइजली एंड वाइब विद द राइट वंस। You do not need a lot of friends. One friend is enough. Overall, one right friend is a full package. So just focus on that. Listen, you are going to find a lot of people who are going to talk behind your back, bitch about you, and just judge you. Upar se niche. You will have to learn to not give a fuck, because if you want to grow and if you know who you are, people will do it. So just ignore them. I don't know ये point अचानक से मैं बोलने लग गई. I swear I did not write this point here because I was talking about friendship. So कुछ ऐसे friends भी होते हैं ना backbitching करते हैं, backstabbing करते हैं, and it is fine. Like people do that, and I think it will hurt you, of course, but it's okay. I know you want to party, you want to go clubbing, do all those fun, and I would say please do it. Do not skip on those things. When you go to college to attend your classes, make sure you are not just going like anything or anybody. Have a personality, have a aura, be well dressed. If you have a uniform, wear it properly. Girls can also apply a little makeup because in college nobody will say anything. ऐसा मत कर लेना कि bold eyes करके चले जाना. No, just a little bit to look presentable. I used to do a little bit makeup like blush and all. It was actually cute to do that. Wear perfume, wear ironed clothes, wear clean shoes. Have something as a statement to your personality. Wearing a watch, maybe doing your makeup, or maybe wearing those classy block heels. The sun is gone. I'm sorry for the lighting. Putting something statement to your personality will actually give you a lot of attention. You might not even notice it, but yeah, try adding it and you'll see what difference it makes. Next thing I would say is have a good impression to your professors. Don't be a bad kid who is just having fun and throwing chits and erasers here and there and just talking, giggling. I mean, it's okay for some time, but not for every day. Make sure your professors know your name for the right reasons. Try interacting to them in your lectures, like asking questions or answering their questions, etc., etc. This is going to help you big time, because teachers and professors, when they notice you, they really notice you, and they do remember you as a certain person. However you portray yourself. Have proper stationery. Do not be the person who is going and asking pens and pencils and erasers to every person. I would rather say you become that person जिनसे लोग आके मांगे. I remember my professor telling us this story. वो भी कॉलेज में ऐसे कुछ लेके जाते नहीं थे, and one day the teacher actually commented on him that you have such a big body पर तुम्हारे पास एक पेन नहीं है. And मेरे प्रोफेसर को इतना ज्यादा वो चीज हिट कर गई कि उस दिन के बाद से वो 2 पेन अपने पॉकेट में तो रखते ही रखते हैं. कॉलेज में एक चीज तो जरूर करना, 2-3 ट्रिप्स अपने दोस्तों के साथ मार लेना और एक अकेले भी मार लेना. मुझे लगता है when you go for trips, you not only get to learn about different cultures and different cities, but you also get to learn about your capabilities. वहाँ पे जाके आप अपनी responsibility खुद लेते हो, and that is the best thing to ever experience. And this is not something I can like explain. Save your money, whatever you need to do, and just go to your trip. सारी अच्छी बातें कर लिए, प्रोफेसर्स के बारे में बात कर लिया, पेरेंट्स के बारे में बात कर लिया, दोस्तों के बारे में बात कर लिया. Now let's come to you. Of course हमने अपने बारे में भी बात की है, but I'm going to go a little more deeper and talk about your financial stability, emotional stability, physical stability, and mental stability. All of these are a full package you need to focus on, and trust me, सुनने में, देखने में, समझने में हार्ड लगता है. Once when you learn it, it's gonna be so life changing. I told you about having a plan, right? How will you have a plan if you're not mentally stable? सब with time होता है. You cannot expect your day one to be the best version of yourself. आपके पास 4 साल है, मैंने पहले भी कहा, इन 4 सालों में हो जाएगा. Of course, it will be taking time. It is going to be hard. I'm not gonna lie, but it will be worth it. Extra courses वगैरह, side hustles वगैरह सब कुछ कर रहे हो. मैं ये भी कह रही हूँ कि अपने personal growth पे भी काम करना. Learning new hobbies for yourself and not for your profession is equally important. कुछ लोगों को painting पसंद होती है, कुछ लोगों को dancing पसंद होती है, कुछ लोगों को acting पसंद होती है, कुछ लोगों को adventures करना पसंद होता है. Just anything, जो भी आपको पसंद है as a hobby, make sure you're focusing on that. Be experimental. अगर आप एक dancer हो, experiment to singing and acting as well, because why not? Who is stopping you? Nobody is stopping you, I believe. And if somebody is stopping you, that person is the problem, not you. No, finance की भी एक बहुत बड़ी topic आ जाती है during college, because we want to go out, have so much fun, clubbing, partying, cafes explore करना, different cities explore करना, गाड़ी का petrol, so many little things, right? And हमारे parents हमें limited budget ही देते हैं हमारी pocket money में. So why not earn yourself? When I started college, even before I started college, I was a tutor. I was tutoring a lot of children, and that's how I paid my own little bills. And it's not easy to be a working person and be a student, obviously, but little jobs will work. Tutoring is such a job जो बहुत लोग college में करते हैं, and it is one of the best job a student can ever get. All you have to do is find your students, and you will be sorted after that. और अगर दूसरी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करूँ तो college में काफ़ी ज़्यादा insecurity आ जाती है, because we are growing up, we are seeing new people every day, सुंदर लोग, अच्छे लोग, people who come from a good background, etc. etc. We see a lot of people insecurities अपने आप build हो जाती है. कुछ लोग हमारे looks पे comment कर देते हैं, insecurity build हो जाती है, and it is okay, होता है. I would say be इतना strong mentally and emotionally कि आपको ये सारी चीज़ें अफेक्ट नहीं कर रही है. बोलना आसान है, करना आसान बिल्कुल नहीं है, बट यू विल लर्न. एंड मेंटली स्ट्रांग रहने के लिए मैं एक सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ बताऊँ, आप क्या कर सकते हो? अफर्म. आपको किसी ने आके फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगली ही कह दिया, यू हैव टू टेल योर सेल्फ, आई एम द बेस्ट लुकिंग पर्सन इन दिस वर्ल्ड. I don't care what that fucking person said, he or she is just projecting his or her insecurity to me. ऐसे affirmation करो, and it will be so easy for you to not believe others and believe your own self. So telling yourself affirmations any time of the day and even night, I guess. भी आपको किसी भी चीज़ का लेके negative thought आ रहा है ना, just quickly start affirming about it. ठीक है, एक दिन 2 दिन में नहीं, 3 से 4 दिन में नहीं, पर मैक्स टू मैक्स 1 वीक में आप खुद ही डिफरेंस देखने लग जाओगे. बट ऑफ कोर्स वो अफर्मेशंस आपको डेली करनी पड़ेगी, और ऐसा नहीं कि सुबह ही करना है, रात में करना है, कभी भी करो. पूरा दिन है आपके पास, 24 घंटे आपके पास, एक्चुअली कभी भी करो, इट्स फाइन. एंड बाय द एंड मैं इतना ही कहूँगी कि इट्स ओके किसी ने आके आपको कुछ कह दिया, आपको पसंद नहीं आया, आपको हिट कर गया, इट्स ओके यू आर फीलिंग इनसिक्योर, इट्स ओके यू आर फीलिंग अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट, इट्स ओके यू आर नॉट डूइंग वेल टू योर लाइफ, योर एग्जाम्स और व्हाटसोएवर. इट इज ऑल ओके. वक्त बदलता है, सही वक्त का इंतजार करो, वक्त सब कुछ बता देता है. विद दैट आई होप you have the best college life. Just experience the kind of life you want to experience, because you do not want to regret this, right? So ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं, कुछ भी डर हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, कुछ भी करने से पहले कुछ भी डर हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, just do not give a fucking damn to that fear and just do it. Just do it, okay? जो भी करने, अब गलत चीज़ों के लिए मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है? अभी गलत सही वो आपका डिसीजन है, बट just know I am telling you for the right reasons. So अब ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत बोल चुकी हूँ. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll bring more such videos like this, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Ta-ta, bye bye, take care.